When it comes to eating, it may feel like we have to choose between healthy and affordable, but the truth is you don't need to spend a ton of money to eat nutritious foods. Meal planning is a great way to stretch your food budget while also enjoying delicious and healthy foods. Today, I'll be showing you how to master meal planning in 4 simple steps. Let's get started. So what is meal planning? In its most simplest form, it's basically planning out what you're going to eat for the day, a couple days, or even the week. Taking time to map out your meals can help you by spending less time deciding what to eat, making it easier to make healthy food choices, saving money at the grocery store by only buying what you need, and reducing food waste. To begin meal planning, consider the following steps. Step 1, scheduling. Determine the day and time that works best for you to set aside for prep and grocery shopping. Think about when you have the most energy or when you have access to the kitchen if you share it with others. Recruit others in your household or invite friends to video chat to make meal planning a fun activity. Step 2, determine your meal type. Can you eat the same meal multiple times a week? How comfortable are you cooking more than one dish? Would you rather have prepared and portioned meals set aside, or would you rather have prepped ingredients to mix and match during the week? There's no wrong way to do it, so try out different meal types to see what works best for you, your lifestyle, and your preferences. Step 3, pick your recipes. When deciding on recipes, consider the cook time, the equipment needed, and your own comfort level. Be sure to check out our nutrition website for recipe ideas and inspiration. You will find the link to our recipe archives in the description box below. And of course, we can't forget about taste and nutrition. Remember to choose foods you enjoy eating and aim to incorporate a variety of food groups at each meal. Speaking of a variety of food groups, have you heard about the Nourishing 4? It's a template for creating healthy meals comprised of 4 food groups: starch and carbs, protein, fats, and fiber in the form of fruits and veggies. Aim to include at least 3 food groups in your meals and 2 for snacks. Check out the link in the description box below for more information on how to build a balanced plate. Step 4, create a grocery list. When it comes to creating a grocery list, here are a few things I like to do to help me prepare for a trip to the store. First, write it down, either on your phone or use a good old pen and paper. Go through your recipes and write down all the ingredients you need to make your meals and snacks. Next, shop at home. After you've made your grocery list, check your fridge, freezer, and pantry and cross out items you already have or don't need more of. Lastly, organize your list. Group your produce, dairy, protein, and dried pantry items together to help you save time at the store. Let's be real. We don't have time to crisscross the store to get everything on our list. These 4 steps for meal planning will surely make eating healthy and nutritious meals easy and affordable. What other tips and tricks do you have when it comes to meal planning? Let us know in the comments section below. Before you go, be sure to follow us on social media at SF State Cares for updates on our latest events and activities. For more nutrition information and resources, please visit the Health Promotion and Wellness website at wellness.sfsu.edu. See you all next time.